What's up guys, it's your girl Shanice and I'm here again with a new video. Alright guys, so you know say we have a little Panama trip come up, right? And however the hurricane that passed through since recently that named Melissa kinda slow down certain things. Like right now we can't really shoot because we don't have no light, we don't have no water for the people them, we don't have nothing right now. And we have to use generator, right? And you see, in order to use generator, it costs. You have to buy gas, you have to buy oil. Every minute you have to make somebody come look on it, very costing, guys. And I know it's the time hard, but me ask if nobody can help me towards the room of Panama, please, guys. Because I already booked a flight, and I don't really want the money go to waste because I don't know how hard enough to work for no money, and I want to make it possible for me to book the flight, guys. So please, me begging you, if you can give me a little help towards the room, I would really appreciate it. And hope you know I do good.
Excuse me, miss. Come here a minute. I beg your second. What's your name?
Shani, so a problem?
No problem. It's just that you look like my daughter.
Oh.
You look like my daughter.
I think so.
That's why me ask your name. And because my daughter missing 10 years and 9 months now.
Well, me and your daughter were very much older than that.
No, but look, this is my daughter the last time I see her. This is my daughter in her school uniform. You don't see anybody looking like this walking the area?
Yeah, look how one little baby like she just started kindergarten. How me if you know what she grew up to be?
No, but that's why I kind of look. I remember her eyebrow and everything.
Well, I think you have the wrong person. But
alright.
Like how your daughter miss you all at 10 years and 9 months. Why you not just get a new daughter?
What you say to me?
You don't have no more egg inside, you can just produce the next one.
You chat the same foolishness the police and my husband talk to me, you know. I can't believe say you as another female. I come tell me that.
Huh? What else do I want to tell you?
What if it was you? What if you wouldn't want your family to come find you, your loved ones?
It depends when it comes to the situation. I mean, suppose if family them will kidnap me and take me away, God forbid if I that happen to your child, I treat me better than how you would have treat me.
Me look
you
half.
Don't know if you did a look after me, we should have missed.
No, not that. She miss him. No, she's around. I can feel her in my womb. All right,
miss. I think if you go on to the police station, I go bomb man.
Yeah, chat the same foolishness, my husband. Me gone. Hello, young lady. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You alright?
Yes.
I just wanted to ask, you look like somebody I know. Who is your parents?
Me really know my parents because my mother dead and my father dead. So I stay with my foster parents right now.
What you say? Your parents both gone?
Yes.
When that?
Long time ago, I don't know them.
Okay. Alright. Cause you look like somebody familiar for me. But I can't really talk now. Cause it's somewhere I was going. I can get your number so that we can carry on talking because you look like somebody me know. I feel like somebody know your family.
I don't have a phone for me right now. So you can do it.
Alright, cause you have a young brain. Remember my number here? It's 621 6289.
621
6289. Alright? And my name is Shaz. Alright. Remember, text me when you get home.
Alright.
And text me some of your number. Alright.
Come here now, where you move so fast?
I say I call people, mama, where you go on? You know, little man.
Alright, come here, see that, come here.
Where you be? Where?
Your shit good, man.
What your problem?
You just say look good like when me look across the road.
We know some look good.
Eh?
We know me look good.
So me just a compliment you.
How you
What's
want
your
me to
name?
do with the compliment?
What's your name?
Shanice, what your
I'm
problem?
a Sean.
Okay, Oshan.
So you can't be with your attitude and something more. Hmm?
You don't know if you check your face before you start.
No, I'm just looking at my face, yeah? So I'm gone. So where you come from?
Listen to me. Stop question me. Is that you stop me for something important or not?
No, you see I'm a like
No,
you,
don't like me. Because you and your little talking. You know, work with me
see
right
that
now.
attitude there, that
Yes.
you like.
And that is the thing now. Me and I go work. Your little sweet talk not gonna benefit me. Show me 10 grand now. They can't show me.
No, me active. Me active, man. If I want US, me have US.
10 grand. Show me 10 grand.
I'm want 10 grand this.
Show
More
me
than
10 grand.
this, mama. Where you want me to get 10 grand?
Start over. You know, say if you say. Show me 10 grand.
Me can't show you 10 grand kind of pay there yet. Me
See?
hard working you to know. Me don't know scam hard then you there. We are going to show you pop out 50,000 and
So,
get
how much you have? Alright, show me 5 grand.
Me I want to look for 4 or so.
4. So you see, you want me to don't even have 5 grand or 10 grand in your pocket. How you have it?
Me honest bread.
So every man that work
That's
their
the
honest
most
bread,
important
he scammer. They work their honest bread, you know.
At
You know how
least
much
me
call
have
they have to
money
make
in my
before they get
pocket.
through.
At least me have money in my pocket.
Well, that can't benefit me. Anyways, they chat
me
too
have
much.
this, that me not have none.
Right now, you irritate me. Okay, there's a chat, and I pay a broke chat, chat.
Listen, man, now come here now.
I can't chat here, chat too much.
Hello. Go on like man, not be running down.
Hey! I'm glad you're home. I'm glad you're home. I need to talk to you. I think I find her, I think I find her. You see a little... Who else? Who else may I look for but with child? I think I find her, but I'm not sure. I see a young girl that is about, and she look like her. She even have the same shape eyebrows.
No,
I tell you, say she's alive.
Listen. If she was alive, the police would have confirmed it.
Them a talk foolishness, man. I know she's alive.
Live where?
Me see her. I think I see her, but me never want to frighten her. I think I see her, and she don't know her parents neither.
No, listen. I think the best advice I do, I find out from your brother. Cause how your brother have money? You're sure he not take all your Pickney to sacrifice them?
Stop talk foolishness, man. Stop talk foolishness. Wow. But wouldn't it be good? Wouldn't it be good? We have so much to catch back up. What?
Mind you put yourself in a problem with people Pickney. Because if my Pickney was alive, would have feel him present. Me can't feel it. It's just like when time my auntie dead and my mother dead, me don't feel them present anymore.
Me no know what you feel or what you can't feel, but me know me carry my daughter. And yes, so she come carry, and yes, so she come from. A mother and a daughter's relationship is just different. I mean, know my baby's still alive, and I think, me try keep it calm, but I think we find her. And she said them tell her say her parents dead, and she not foster care. It has to be her.
Her parents dead, and she in a foster care, and it have to be her. How many kids' parents dead are in a foster care? Okay.
I'm not a fool, me know that. That's why me never say nothing to her. Me just give her my number and she's supposed to text me. And then we can see if we can talk and find out what the story is.
Listen, I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna repeat myself after this. Stop interfering with who you see on the road. You're going to put yourself in a problem. You're going to charge misconduct. You're going to charge child adoption. You're going to charge all them interrogate. Oh, what? Can't say me want him.
You can't cramp.
Can't say me want him.
You can't cramp my spirit because I am convinced. And you know that pull, well, you might not know because you're a man, but that pull, when me see her coming down, you know, I was even looking the other way. And if she pull me to her, me just feel the connection. And the same, you know, the same way her eyebrows stick down like yours and mine. Me know, man, me know.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, go sister, be right. Yeah, go sister, be right. Me fine her. Me go put on some dinner.
You know
Yeah.
listen. Go cook. You know listen.
You can't cram my spirit come and find me daughter. And
Well,
you,
yes.
me go tell you, say I told you so. Come me right and you wrong. Cancel it.
All right.
Sis,
Oi,
how going?
get up, brother.
Come here, man.
You alright?
I tell you, sis, I'm just stressed out, you know?
What stress you?
Whole thing I start from you. From me lose my knees, my whole life just crumble. Me can't motivate, me just stagnant.
You know them ways.
Me can't move. If me go do a work, me can't move, barely go.
You just a breed and I exist. Me I walk street, I look for her. Cause me know say she out there somewhere. Me know say she out there somewhere.
Me car what day me have to sell all my car.
Eh?
Because me rent and pay you.
What you tell me? You're pretty curious, sir.
To pay me rent, me have to sell my car. Because nothing now going.
So hold on, you gone that far? How you love your car, so you wash your car more than you wash yourself. And you have to just sell it for parent, but you not find somewhere cheaper to go. You like the nice life, man. You live pan, you want champagne diet.
Down here now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what more to do. I need to get a next baby.
Next baby, me no.
Get a next baby, man. Come. No, I don't know what for else to motivate. When they have a baby, me just motivate. Me I make money from all angles. Me I push out, me I go this so go on.
So
When you see what going on now, nothing now going for me.
Toga, you wait for me and Papa produce another one before you talk about what you're going to do for help me find Sabrina, my missing daughter. And him not depend that right now. Me not depend that
Better
neither.
not have a next baby. That better have a next baby, man. We can be motivated and make some money.
Really? No, sir. Me I find Sabrina, me I find my daughter before we even think about it. And him not depend that right now. Right now, that is another child is a lease. It depends.
We need to make some money, man. I don't know who else to do this. Sit down there, I don't nothing down there for name right now. Nothing, your house empty. I just see furniture in there.
You never know you so low. Alright.
Furniture, I don't know if I can help me with some money I want.
I don't have the money for help you, but me just cook, so I'll give you something to eat.
Anything right now,
Alright, come in and like see you like this.
I'm stressed out, like, you know when I'm stressed. And I tell you, I'm stressed.
Don't stress it, man. Plenty things that you have to stress with, but I go and go with a plate for care of you, yeah?
ready yet. Ready for my food right now.
You're not ready for food? We had something or something wrong.
I want some money. And money I want right now. You work and me never pay me.
So you do the work and then no pay? Hey, you have to stand
No,
up.
then they say they not pay enough.
Oh.
Enough, they not pay out right.
Right, you know, brother. My head fry kind of right now too. So
Food to me.
yeah, 'cause me can't really concentrate on that. We'll feed you and everything, but my head fry right now.
Can't believe it.
Alright.
I'm just to get the next baby so I can get fully motivated back.
Hello again. Hello, you alright? Yeah. Oh, you never text me. Let me give you my number.
I never really have no service in it.
Mm-hmm.
My foster parents them, they're strict, so they don't really like when me a text changer.
Me I'm no stranger to you. Come in, I'm no stranger to you. Me is a special person to you, yeah? Me is a special person to you. You can text me anytime, night or day.
What do you mean by a special person?
You will realize when time for come. You're a special person to me. I'm not no normal stranger. So you please keep in touch here. I need you for keep in touch. But me have my phone now, so give me your number. Put your number in. Thank you. All right. So we must keep in touch, you know. I mean, I'm no stranger.
Alright, I'll try to text you, I can text it today.
All right. I got you for though. Don't lose touch with me here. All right. Hello. Hey, why? And the right there, this. Come look. She remind me of my daughter, you know. She look like my daughter too. She don't look like my daughter to show you the picture.
I don't know your daughter look, miss.
Let me show you the picture.
10 years now. Or me if you know what she grew up to be. Yeah, you know some people change. I see her walk around and call everybody a Pickney. I say everybody look like a Pickney.
You don't know nothing. You're a mother?
Huh?
You're a mother?
Huh?
So you don't know a
Yeah,
mother's
mother?
code.
Look here. We need to go now.
All right. But don't worry, me is a special person to you. Me could all be your mother. You'll find out. Where you come talk, say in front of the little girl?
Where you know her from?
She could be my daughter.
Where you know her from?
Me get the feel.
Where did you know her?
Me feel. Me not get the feel with you. Me not get the pull with you. But me get me pull with her. Me find
Yes, sir, dear. Down the road, that time I say I get the pull with me. How you know say Sabrina the girl name? The girl.
My daughter named Sabrina. And she look like her. And I feel from yesterday after me leave you with your foolishness. And I walk past her. The energy pull me. It's nice, Sabrina. That's you know. It's nice, Sabrina. But me no want to scare her too soon.
They done scare her already. Come in and make you catch up your head. So later.
Love, you don't know what you're talking about. Go about your business.
Oh my, you're glad me see you again. You know me, Bobby?
Why you feel glad to see me again? What problem? Man is still in here.
I see you from out there, me admire you. Me say me really like you.
I'm tell you something I like you.
Why you not like me? What
Me don't know. My spirit just not take it. It's
you
like
not like hard working you.
you don't really have no money. That's what I want. And my spirit not really take
What
you.
day you see me have no money, now me get paid. I have money.
You have 10,000 back?
Me have more than 10,000.
Give me 10,000 back.
No, I wanna
See, my spirit not agree with it. It's like
give money. And I search
you can't give me time for talk.
Yeah, give me a gold digger vibe, just I don't want a gold digger.
Okay then bye. Stop
Hold
look
on,
me.
no
Stop
man.
question me. Me cannot talk to you. Irritate
I
me.
want to know you.
Me don't want to know you. My spirit not agree with you. You seem like you need to go back to church and repent.
Come
That
we have one little conversation, man. Cause come like you just want to rush. Or is it look a bit now?
my spirit do not agree with you, and I think you know you need to go back to church and repent. You know, understand that.
Why not me, you know, like?
You overall, you come like a demon. You know, look. troubled.
Me come like demon.
Yeah.
Me.
You there?
You know, the best thing we do allow you things. Because me say you don't want no money. You don't want a good man. The best thing I allow you build up for myself. Because you look for me. I tell me, say me a demon. So girl a bright. Good girl, yeah. Hello. Come here. Where you live?
Where you want to know me live for, sir? What
Which
kind of
one you
stupid
live?
question that? You know
Where
me?
you live? You don't know
How
me,
you
just
want
see
to
me. Just
rob me
ask
family
a
them? Murder them? I kidnap you want to kidnap me?
I'm not like murder.
Look for all that the cloth in your pocket. How you want to put you over me?
Don't worry about clout now in pocket. Where you
Sir,
come?
I know you come up too close.
You just ask you a question, yeah.
You don't need to know that. Me don't know your eye, you don't know me.
Where you come from?
You don't need to know that. A kidnap you want to kidnap me? Rob you want to rob me people them?
It's a girl. Girl. You look like rubber. You look like thief.
Sir, excuse.
Me you look like thief, girl. A thief you want to call me?
They say say mob. I don't want you kidnap me.
I know that. Look
Look
with the
on the
stone.
cloth in
Can you
your
come
pocket.
like say you're mad? You
Yes,
come like
let me
say
tell
you're
mother,
mad.
that's
You're mad.
everybody say. So go on, you know, don't chat to mad people. Excuse me,
Me
sir.
just stop if you ask you a question. Yeah,
I don't want you to ask me no question. Me don't know you. Me don't know if I rob you want to rob the people them are murder.
I want a question me ask you. Put on your
Sir, go on.
I say you're
Why?
mad. Lick me with stone and take it do.
Make me
And you
tell
gonna
mother
see
that
who
everybody
mad out
say.
there.
Sir,
Yeah?
go on.
You're gonna see who mad.
Hey, I told you. Me find her, me get her number. Me get her number with daughter Sabrina. Me find her. Me think me find her. Me sure me find her. Cause me feel the pull again. So,
You see? See if you don't stop this, you're in a big problem. And me and you not going out. Me and you not going out. I tell you already, my daughter is not alive. And you kind of suspect something. I mean, when I go to X, and you go tell me, say, no, I'm not X, and start get vexed and cuss. So I low it alone until I figure it out myself. You see, every day you see me sit down, run my computer, I tell my boss I want to work a yard because they are focused. Because the police they're not doing one thing. The police all they do are they on the beach and hustle tourists. They're not coming to fight crime, they come here to hustle. Look on the last time when they shot a fire and I call the police and say shot a fire and they hear the shot. And like 3 hours after they come, you hear what the policeman go power and say, them have a life. So they rather wait till the shot them done fire, then come. So when they go in at the army, I the force to do, to serve and protect. But it look like this serve what them a serve with. I give it instruction and lock up a backside. That's the only serve.
well, the only serve me I look pan is for Sabrina, our daughter. So, please and thanks. You don't have to get into it. You see, when me find my baby and prove you wrong, don't cry when me tell you so I told you so. But other than that, you can lend me $2,000 per month and get. She never have no credit. That's why she never phone. She tell me so she never have no credit. So we want to put her credit on her phone. We can borrow $2,000.
No.
Why? I feel with daughter.
I'm not giving you $2,000 to get stranger. I am not going to do that. Stop give people look up at their money. You go to prison.
For buy credit.
Next
I know you're an idiot. I'm not prison for buy credit for somebody.
Shut your mouth. Next thing you go hear say, you bribe people Pickney if you go give it to your husband because you get too old. Don't do that.
Your mind too smutty. Not everybody mind smutty so. Me file me Pickney.
You don't understand? I want me to think what people are going to think. Because if me, the company would see I do that, you mean everybody. But it's a big woman, you know. I want if I take care of your husband, bring that. Because you want a Pickney. You have to think out the box. You can't think in the box.
Me not think for other people. All me I think about is my Sabrina. And oh God, Papa. Me always say it. But you see this time, every time I see her, we just get the pull. We get the pull.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, right now come and find me, baby.
You take pill?
Pill for what? Me not no headache.
You pop pill?
Me not no headache.
No, you move like you pop pill. Me drink club and me not go on so. So you move like you pop pill. Because me see you drink club and you not go on so. So me I wonder if you pop pill. You pop pill, man. You put in a room.
You don't know a mother's pull. You can't know a mother's pull and earn for a child. You can't know about that.
All right.
You can't expect you to understand.
And you push her out, so you must know well. You must know how she look. No problem. After 10 years, you can know how she look.
In the must. After 10 years, you not change. You ugly same way.
Oh, me ugly. Because it stress me out. Every day, 10 years straight upon this. Come on, let's go look for you. The kids, the police not moving fast. Come on, that the kids are dash already 10 years ago, man.
Sometimes I wonder if you did really love her, you know. Can you not talk like a father?
Me love me Pickney, but I can't do nothing. Me teach you something. Never you remember the dead because they break you down.
Me not
always focus on the future because the dead now want you to ball for him because he done dead already. What dead today can't come back a man. Just like one plant. If he dead today you can't catch it again. He dead. Just like the water panel. When it's done, it's done. You have to refill it, but you can't refill life.
But since my daughter, not your daughter, my daughter still alive, and we all have her number, me not make you flex my head, you know, and spice up my head. So me gonna put on dinner.
All right.
You know, help me. All right, give me $500 now. Make me send her $500 credit, no man.
Weird funny.
Too damn mean. Sure, I'm not like you.
Weird funny.
You're right, so that.
Well, shit, I want to wash up the clothes, right? No fabric, no.
I say rough, not true. I some credit will
Just
come.
tired of life right now. Just tired of help me.
Yeah, dinner.
You know, alone, you know, nothing for wash the clothes them. It's so long me in the clothes. It's so long. Me day in the clothes I'm on long now, sis. Now no me not made.
Oh God, what
No,
a
no,
devil.
no to put on.
I'll help you as much as me can help you, you know. But me depend on other things from my brain right now.
When we come and shop come man.
I come to buy some credit. You know, here some fine, Sabrina, me fine without us. Some credit me come to buy. And I want to put on her phone. See her phone number, yeah? See her phone number, yeah? Me telling her, say, me get my baby back.
Wait a minute.
Me fine, me baby. Me sure say it she can everything just fit. The age fit. She all have with family eyebrow and everything. How with family eyebrow come down so and go across.
Sis, come on. Okay, he come like up as a gun. Up as a we all 12 years.
Me happy. You know, like see black people have really take me happy to find me Pickney.
You get your daughter number?
Yes, I'm not sure you already see the number, yeah. But my baby, she not no credit. But the only thing.
God, me I beg you, please help me. If I had gone, carry back, please. Me I beg your father, God. Because this no look right. This don't look right, not one bit.
If I had gone.
Fear. Basic, your daughter gone actually 10 years now. And you say you get your daughter and you let you go back. If your head hurt you, your head hurt you, sis.
Me not no time for you, you know, 'cause
Me
you
I go through my stress I mean now go on so. But you your head gone. All you need to do. Have a next baby and tell you. Me can make money and help you out. See me
Me not time for you. Me I go over my Sam get credit man. Come here, Lord, lick you.
See,
Yeah.
listen to me and say. See you walking in the rain. And rain you going on.
Me rather walk in the rain than Tanya we don't know. Cause you and my husband a chat farting on my ears. When I can't happy for me. Me find me Pickney. When me prove when I'm wrong when I go sick. I true no
Oh,
see
yeah,
her.
prove it wrong.
You see when me and Sabrina unite, the happy unite with the Pickney, and when you see me unite with Pickney, you, Papa, the world, I got no and me did right.
You
So
know
all
say
on
I'm mad.
around.
We
No
gonna
talk about this and I call no dog deck from the Pickney. And I tried fast.
get it all one.
Me I go on, come not coming.
Tell your mind sister mad out there now. My God. Only she know.
Hey. What's up? You good?
Yeah.
Alright. You get the, me never get fully send the text, but you get the credit.
Oh yeah, me have a credit but me never put on.
What make?
Cause me never follow rules and regulation. Me never want to text nobody.
Rules and regulation. What you have phone for? You need credit for the phone and you say you don't have no credits, me send it to you.
Me not ready to put on the credit yet.
Who for rules and regulation you talk?
My first appearance.
Alright. You like them?
Yeah.
But you must would want to meet your real parents and thing.
Miss, my real parents are dead.
So let me tell you. Alright. May I have something nice for you, you know? I want you to pack your bags. Don't tell nobody. Pack your bags and come meet me at the mouth of the lane. Me I gonna take you away. Me I gonna take you away somewhere nice and we enjoy ourselves.
You don't have to ask my first appearance.
No, you no bother for tell nobody here. Where we are go, it a go nice and you go full joy yourself. So pack your bag and meet me back here later about 6 o'clock.
Alright.
Yes? You gonna meet me? Alright, pack your bags then. Just pack everything you need, your toothbrush and thing, and come back and meet me right at 6 o'clock tonight, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Rules and regulation. That's what them tell you. Me I gotta tell you the truth. Hey, may I go home and pack and sort myself out. Call me and my baby girl going to spend some mother-daughter time together.
La.
So I
I
said,
hope nobody pick me go take from the yard, you know. I carry out.
me tell you something, I take nobody else Pickney.
I must somebody pick. What do you mean by that?
And my daughter, me tell you something, see my daughter say, everybody no believe me, but my daughter meet me later, and me and she gonna have some mother-daughter
Everybody
time.
pick me and fear pick me. You see say it gone? Your head gone.
Yes.
Stop doing something, man. Everybody pick me. You think when I see what you do? Yeah. Grow on and carry out the people them pick me. That boy, your daughter, this. And when the people them pick me mixing. Look on the girl where you carry out what they. I don't know people they can't find in that. And they say, yo. Last they say with that.
Me no know nothing
and
about
you say,
that.
boy, you don't know about it.
Me no know nothing about that.
You don't know about
Me
it?
no know nothing about
When
that.
then can you go to court, you know, you have to say
You
don't
see
know about
handcuff on me? You know, she say me free and I walk. If me
free
did
and I
guilty or
walk.
anything, they would arrest
Stop
me.
them something that your daughter gone, you can't just accept it.
Except you see, if me did follow you and Popeye them, you see the other day, me wear my hair just like how she used to plait it and play with it when she was little. And she remember me. She remember me. Me know so she remember me. So me tell she'll meet me later and we are go for mother-daughter. Jealous,
Don't
you jealous.
bring out the people them Pickney. You hear me say? You need to go breed. Go and go breed again. You tell it on one something. Your daughter gone. Everybody see that. Your neighbor them will say you're mad out, you're this, you're that. You want your daughter, yes, but you need to move on. Move on, you know, man. You're living in the past too much.
Living in the past, all I wanna mad. And I can't understand how
Look why you never reach 50 yet and you're great. Because you're stressed over the one little girl.
That is
You
my
little girl
daughter. Me carry her, me give birth to her. Mother daughter bond can't break. I don't understand no man.
Yeah. Sis, me tell you this one with my bottom of my heart. Anybody look for you nowadays, they must say you're mad.
Mad with happiness. Come and find
Anybody
me Pickney.
reason with your straight, them are going to tell you say you're mad. Remember, say me
I
tell you.
like talk to you
We
sometime.
we are telling you the truth. I true, we are telling you. All you need to do is listen. Don't care how the people them Pickney. When you go find out, say enough for your Pickney now, you say the people them Pickney missing. And can't find, then you go say, you don't know about that. When you do something to the people them Pickney, you think me not know, you wait till you go court, you know. At that time you go feel what go on. Them are going to lock you up. Remember, say me tell you. See,
That you really put on me, your sister. And that you call down judgment on me.
I want talking down the road, you know.
You can't take care say go to court.
You can't take
Me
care
no know nothing about
They
missing
see you with the
Pickney.
little girl. And you last carry road.
So my business where she go after that?
What?
My business where she go after that?
Where she go after that?
My business me know.
Where you let her have?
I said bye-bye to the girl. I don't even remember. I said bye-bye to the girl and she gone about her
You
business.
say bye-bye to
I
me.
don't mind too
You can't
corrupt, you know,
lie to
that's
me.
why I not like
You
it.
can't lie to me. You can't lie to me. Sis, just have a next bit. No, you just go in that bed and breathe. Go in that bed with the husband and have a next baby.
Ah,
Yeah,
no,
make
you not
like
give
so your
me
egg
no
them
niece.
freeze. Just have me need some more
You
money,
fi
man.
have Pickney.
For motivate me need something. When me have a niece, me have money. Me have money. Money can't do me like give money, so.
If you did have your so hold on, if you did have your niece, you have money, and now me find your niece, and you tell me something, man, are you no make sense, man?
I
Me
know
not
you-
like talk to you. Are you no make sense, huh?
I know my niece that. Who my niece? Tell me
You
what
go
my
see.
niece.
You go see. You go see who are your niece.
You do DNA, you do none of them something that you just look upon people and say, boy, I feel Pickney that. Stop them something there.
You see, when you start make money, can you get back your niece? Me I go remember you this conversation and all the other conversations when you tell me I'm mad. Alright. Let me like
Sis,
talk to
me-
you.
Go on,
Go on, man, come
Remember
get
say me
the
want
place.
you know.
Go
Remember
along.
say me want you.
Go along.
Them are gonna lock you up. Why you can't just breathe? You walk up and create mischief now. You just breathe, man. You me happy and me alright. Hey, mom.
Every day I talk about it, so you don't live now.
No, this is my chill spot where me chill out at the time,
You
man.
even cheer no out, so all you saw your chill spot.
No, me sit down on that every day. So.
Hmm.
You know, say me dream last night. And me saying in my dream.
Hi.
And
It's
me I
not a
say,
reality, it's just a dream.
no, you're the pregnant. See me.
I rebuke you.
See me.
I rebuke that word. Why
In
you
a
on
me
a dream
dream.
and see me pregnant? Out of
In a me dream,
everybody.
I say, that girl, when me see that girl like she never pregnant. So me I say, when time I see you, me I ask you if you're breed.
No, I'm not breathing.
You know what?
No, me not want no baby. Why?
So why would I say?
Why you see me in a dream and why you want know if me want baby? Yeah, what? Some
No mother give
Pickney
you a
and
baby.
me not want a baby.
So yeah, Jeff upon myself.
Cause me not until I already know my spirit not take you. Me not know about something boy. Me think I need to go repent. You know, understand me? Cause the first one yeah, I know.
What
So
about me?
me not think me want come too close to you, right? So me
No,
not come go
understand.
baby. You see? Me think I need to repent.
Listen to me.
Demon and something they round you. Because look there.
Dream see have a baby in your belly.
Me not gonna have no baby in my belly, and therefore, stop see me and see me in your dream. Not see me in the reality, not see me in a dream.
Listen, man.
It's the
I'm
other
seeing
side.
foot down and I can't forget it. You know, can't give me a chance in your life.
You can go downtown at the pharmacy and ask them for a forgot pill. I am going about my
Just give me a
business.
chance. Just give me a number.
Me, you don't need my number.
Just give me a
You
number.
don't need my number. You don't understand language.
Just give me a number, man.
Sir, bye.
Remember, say me I post somebody tell her say you're pregnant.
Go and go repent. What I need to go do?
Why nobody can have a baby? Nobody afraid of baby. Me want a baby so me can have some money.
I'm so happy. I have a friend in Jaja. Best friend I ever had. He never ever fails me. He never
Bad
makes
news
me
today.
sad. Why? You alright?
Me always alright.
And me alright. And me if it tell you something good.
Oh God.
Why? Me if it tell you say, me soon get my daughter back. So I have a friend in Jaja.
One of them.
So I like
come on,
talk to
sir.
some people, you know. You just go and
The
cram
one
people's
who died
spirit.
9 years. How long now? What? 10 years?
My daughter missing 10 years. I'm a find my baby.
How you find her?
Me
Let me
look.
ask you one question.
Me
When I
look.
did little, I saw you did look. Nothing about you not change.
I have good genes. So yes, my girl, all the clothes, all my school uniforms still fit me as big and
Well,
old as me be.
Me not think anything will happen to you happen to your daughter.
Why? Because she come from good genes.
Me think your daughter.
My mother have good genes.
By the way, who you classify as a daughter?
Sabrina, the same young girl you see. Who may I classify as my daughter?
I never see nobody. Yeah, listen to me now, listen to me. From I live in this lane, you up the song. Me hear say your Pickney dead. Someone want to know which Pickney you find. That's after the body or the ashes them you go bury now. I must that them can come give you. After that them can come give you. Cause the Pickney not alive.
Young girl, you no have no Pickney yet, so you no know nothing about a mother and daughter connection and love. You see, when you push out a child, then you can come talk to me about motherhood. But you don't know nothing about motherhood, so it's like you can't leave me.
Who tell you say me want to shout nobody? No
Then you can't come talk to me about mother-daughter connection. You know
you
nothing
need to
about
have
it.
sense. Yeah, how much now? If I Pickney miss 9 years, or 11 years, 12 years, you're about 44, 45. And you still worry about one little Pickney. Now go, your man back now
That's
work,
how
go
me
breed.
know say you're an idiot little girl. Eh? You don't know nothing about that. But yet, you see anything happen to Uno, on the young people, anything happen to Uno, on a ball, I want help, I want security, I want love, I want anything. But no business about nobody else.
One
eh?
question I ask you. You ever hear the saying say, patient not cure doctor was? If the poopa not care, how stranger would go care? And you alone not clear yourself, you know?
Come
You
here,
alone not clear
carry
yourself.
her. Nobody
The man
else
never help you.
carry
The man
her.
never help you.
Him carry her for the 9 months.
Listen to me.
Him help me when me go through pain and me inside the
people
report.
them Pickney and trouble them. You hear me? I tell you, your baby or your child, whatever she be right now, is dead.
The best friend I ever had.
Alright, so we are the right, so we are somebody. We are
None of your
What you
business.
do with your sister?
Are your sister?
What you do with your sister?
Oh, no wonder why my spirit can't take none of you.
What?
Are your sister? No, sister just call her.
You know her?
He might look me. But I don't want him.
The two are not forget together. Cause the two are not the two are not negative alive.
We are asking me.
Me in my conversation and you come interrupt me. Sure.
Tell yourself, warm up. Yeah, that's the way I look for people Pickney. Look how many years now your daughter gone and still I dwell upon me. Tell her stop dwell upon the past. Yeah, dwell upon the past too much.
I can't understand.
Hello.
Wake up. Just wake up and face
no carrier. No feel her inside on the gut.
Me usually hold her in my hand.
Hold her in your hand on a carrier. On a help me push her out. Huh?
This seems like a family business. Later, cause we can't bother with
We are going.
Go after them. What?
Sister, listen me, man. You know, so I go talk to your husband boy. I go talk to your husband boy and tell him stop make your company road. Come do fool
Stop
in it
fool
every
from
day.
come where?
Every day your company road and
Stop
the
fool
fool.
from come where?
Stop you from company road.
Last time
If
me
he
checked, me had a
lock
big
you up in
sister.
Huh?
And me is all a year older than him too. So me the older one. So me
I
want
make
to
him
see.
lock you up in your house if you not listen. I make him
And me
lock.
make Collins
What?
come and rest
What?
the whole on off for kidnap. The whole on off. Touch me and see. Touch me and see. And me and super friend touch me and see. Oh. I have
What
a friend
up, man?
in
Straight to your
Georgia.
husband, man.
The best friend
You go
I
on.
ever had. He never ever fails me. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
I'm kind of disheartened.
Good.
I see my baby on the street. And me all wear me hair the other day fair for recognize like how she used to play in me hair. And she still a call me stranger like she no feels to me as her mother.
Yeah, what you say? You are a stranger. You can't see people pick up on the road and call them out. If I mean, would have had murder! Yes, I would have. It's not your child. You have to look on him. I know my Pickney. I can know my Pickney is not alive.
You're too negative for me, you know. That's why, that's probably because of you and your negativity. You and Tugger negativity, me shouldn't come back. I know it's my daughter.
I think you need to inspect your brother. When you talk, it's when you talk, you know, mix me with him. You know, she can't come to me and talk to me. Huh?
We're trying to talk fool alike.
Sure. See, you don't like the truth. You don't like the truth. I tell you, leave people Pickney alone. The downfall now end up pretty.
You see me in trouble, people, Pickney? You see me in trouble, Pickney, Pete? My Pickney, me know my Pickney. You never carry her, me carry her, me know her. Me know the pool papai.
And me put her in there, and I me change her nappy.
And that's it. And me carry her, and me feel her kick, and me feel her move, and me she come from. When I not understand, I can't talk. And you were supposed to can talk to man.
It's not my child. I don't have to go and look at her. It's not my child. Many nights I've been sleeping, my child has been crying in my sleep. So it's not my child. I still hear baby voice. It's like she not going to grow past 2. So I don't know what you tell me, say. But still I hear baby voice.
Hey, your baby in your head too. And me no say me no give you no jacket.
Huh?
So any Pickney that is mine belong to you too.
Huh?
I mean no say me see my
Can't say me then talk to you.
Not talk to you, man.
Can't say me then.
On a full of nonsense. Eh?
Me?
Me I try share me joy, me I try talk to you and then little from this because me say we not communicate.
Alright. You will come back and say sorry.
You see when we prove says our daughter, me I gotta tell you say I told you so. Come on.
Okay, I told you so. Okay. Okay. Alright.
has you. Mommy has you. Mommy has you. You're good. Mommy has you, sweet girl. Mommy has you. Welcome home, baby. Welcome home. We have a lot to catch up on, but we will. I love you, my daughter. I love you, Sabrina. Good morning, my daughter. You good?
No.
What's wrong?
I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm going to come home to my mother.
You are home. You are home. You are home. Knock off the
I want
fan.
to go home to my mother and my father.
I am your mother. You will soon understand. But for now, you call me mommy, and then you will understand.
My real mother is dead.
No.
I want to go home to my foster parents.
No, they lied to you. I am your mother. Somebody stole you from me. I am your mother. And then thief you and put in a foster care. You ready to do your DNA? Open up. It won't hurt. Open up. Nice. Good. Everything will be, you'll understand everything. Don't worry, my daughter. Don't worry. You alright? You alright, Brie? You said you never had something to eat, so I brought you some milk. You used to love this milk when you was little. Here. You have to keep up your strength. No, I brought you some milk. You have to keep up your strength.
I do not want to. I want to go home.
I already explained to you, so you are home. Take the milk. You haven't eaten. Take the milk. Alright, you're going to want it. It's there. I'll leave it for you. You have to eat something. You are home. You soon understand. You're home, my daughter. You're home. You will understand. This is the big day, Sabrina. This is the big day. The DNA come back. See, now you're going to get your proof. I am your mother, and you're my long lost daughter. See it here? See it here? No! 99.9% not my child, but you had to be mine. You had to be mine. I was convinced.
Listen to me. I told you that my real parents are dead. So I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry for everything. You're not my child. You can go. You can go. I don't care what you want to do. You can go. Go. You're not my child.
Is a baby with sacrifice, learn all of it. That's all in a Shazzy. That's all. You know, you share that bone, nothing else. Just one like a Pickney me sacrifice and he wear out and now. I'm want to make some more money. Yeah, me I tell her if you go breed again, she don't want to breed again. I walk up and down and look upon people Pickney. Alright, we like it. All they have to do is breed again.
Yeah. Come. You.
You have one brother? You have one brother?
Yes, never brother.
Me hear him talk on his phone say, he sacrifice your daughter when he was 2.
What?
He sacrifice your daughter when he was 2 years old.
My brother?
Yeah,
Sacrifice my brother?
yeah.
You sure my brother how him stay?
He's black and he tall.
And thick?
Yeah.
Sacrifice my daughter, his
Your
niece?
daughter.
No.
I reached to the end of the movie. So, I want to comment down in the comment section on the best part. As you can see, the movie not done this, so you understand we're going to have a part 2. We're there, I'll go and do the right thing. I want to like, share, and subscribe. Another thing I want to tell you about is we have a trip coming up in December where we're going to go to Panama. So we are looking for some donations. If anybody out there want to help Shanice, you hit her number on the screen and you can get the corresponding exchange information or whatever. Yeah, so you contact the number on the screen and do that. Remember, they might do it this month because if them wait until December, the price of the ticket them go sky high, so they want to put the ticket them this month. So if you're gonna donate, it would have to be this month in September for it to be possible for her to go to Panama in December. You understand? So as I said before, no like, share and subscribe and contact the number on the screen so they can get more info. I want to